This is not just another mindset program, personal growth program. The thing about the Genesis program is that it's hard. It can be scary. It can be very challenging. This isn't about trying to make you feel good, trying to fill you up with positivity. This program is about taking you to the parts of yourself that you need to see, that you've been avoiding, that are uncomfortable, in a way that makes you feel safe, listened to, not judged, guided and coached as you begin to recreate your life. When you implement these tools, these strategies, when you begin to take personal responsibility for your life, not blame, personal responsibility, and learn how to embody that through the different practices, the teachings, the philosophies, the methodology through the Genesis guidebook. That's what sets this program apart. It's because it's not about me getting you to do what I want you to do. It's me listening to the areas in your life that are not working and helping you reharmonize that so your life works for you in the way that you want, in a way that is healthy, in a way that is empowering, in a way that you understand what your own sovereignty actually means and how to live into that, not only now, but for the rest of your life.